Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I self-hosted the essential SaaS products that are required to run a small to medium sized company, from the server to the deployment steps and daily operations with $0 without paying any money. First we are going to look at the server side. For the server, as you see, we come to Oracle Cloud Free Tier. There are plenty of free tier options, but the pretty good option is Oracle Cloud. As you see in the section, always free. They provide a huge value for money for lifetime. As you say, as you see, it is always free. If you are going with Oracle Cloud Free Tier, I would highly recommend going to a single VM with 24 GB of RAM with 4 cores, storage of 200 GB. Keep in mind that there is a limit to a free tier. You can only go for 200 GB. Above that, there will be a charges. Keep that in mind. Go and read through the terms and conditions. It changes location and regions according to that. They have shuffled the free tier options. Okay. If you're going, I would recommend that. After going a VM, an Oracle, there is no specific option for Debian in the free tier. If you are nerdy like me, I would highly recommend to optimize going for a Debian operating system. For the operating system, there is no official way. You can go with Ubuntu server, and after that, you can go to the netboot.xyz. I will give the every steps that are involved, how to do it from the other YouTube videos or other sources that I are able to do it. Okay. Now, if you look at under knowledge base, provider usage, Oracle infrastructure, you can see for the ARM A1 chip, ARM 64, these are the steps you need to go for installing the Debian operating system. After you go to the operating system, next, um, the basic thing, updating the operating system, automating the update process. Then the hero of the game is Coolify. It really offers a huge value for money in self-hosting community. Oracle Cloud, don't expose your ports uh, to the public. I always recommend to go to the netbird. With the netbird, you can able to do it with the tail scale. The tail scale also pretty cool. Pretty cool. The tail scale, you can able to access your self-hosted applications to the VPN. That is pretty secured. If you are don't know what you are going through the steps, I highly recommend only expose your self-hosted applications through the VPN. Without VPN, if you don't know what you are doing, you could end up in a pretty vulnerable position to hackers. Okay. Netbird also, it's pretty cool because you can able to self-host your own Netbird VPN server with the help of if you are compromising on the single VM. We can go for single gigabyte uh, Oracle VM and another one for Coolify. It could be super cool. I tried that, but came up with a single VM. Okay, after that, Coolify offers it makes our self-hosted journey very simple. As you go to the dashboard, you can create your project. Then the project section, as you see, these are the application I self-host currently. In the new section, they offer plenty of self-hosted other SaaS products. That is very simple. Within a single of click, you can able to self-host everything that you need, and there is a pretty cool another feature is Docker. In the Docker file, you can import from the repo, public repo, or you can clone and implement it without any issues. With the Coolify, first for a small to medium sized company, we need a first step. We need an website so that the people can view you. For the website, I gone for WordPress. Yeah, of course. In the current way, there are plenty of other options like you can do it with a React Native, with a Lovable or board.ay or something like other platforms. But I recommend for WordPress because it is dynamic. You can able to change whenever you need. Without for the website, I would go for WordPress. As you see, it offers a huge value without needing any higher expertise in a full stack or API and a backend, so on. It is simple. It makes your process very simple. If you are running with 5 member of teams, minimum 5 number, it is a great value for money. Of course, we are self-hosting it, so our operating cost will be minimized to zero. WordPress here is a dummy hosted for fictional stream. It's a pre-enabled template. CT fictional stream. That's my company. Those who are curious about. Okay, then we go on to the cloud side and the operating system. Then the self-hosting part, the Coolify is the hero of the game. Then we go on to the website. After the website, we need to have a daily operating. We need to have a. We have to manage our teams, right? So here is a pretty cool other a platform to manage your team is Plane. It is really cool. As you see, Plane offers a built-in project management and agent for progress. As you see, it's really you can really prioritize your work with this. Uh, I'm here. Here is a demo that I have done. Yeah, May May 30. I hopefully deliver this video. I have simply dummied here a dummy data. Let's go to the progress, and there's a demo to do, and you can push to the done. And there is a pretty other ways you can use it: a calendar view, Gantt chart, a table view. There are so many options. There is a project cycle and modules. There is a pages to map your notes to the to-do list. For a minimum, in the free options, there is a bottleneck of only 10 members can be able to join in the free self-hosted version. You can go for if you pay, there's a single lifetime self-hosted. There is a single time payment option for self-hosting. I hope I've seen that. If you really want to optimize, you can also go for their version. It is also cool. Then after that, for the team management, we are going for applying. As you see, they offer self-hosted on the cloud version. It's also free for if you go for their cloud option too. But we prefer for self-hosted, as this video is about. Playing, they offer a pretty good project lifecycle process for a small team. Like it's cool. As you see, here is a dummy data that I have done. You can view it. Yeah, it's in progress. I've done a dummy data for demo for this video purposes. Hopefully, this video published on 30 May as I'm shooting today. Then you can view it in a Gantt chart and in a table view in any way you need. It's a very flexible, or you can prioritize according to what comes in the top list. It is very dynamically operated. There is a feature for project cycle that is also nice. Modules on the page. If anything is important, you can spin it. You can demo YouTube. You can pin it to can directly pin this page to whatever you need in the workspace. In the demo, you can able to add RSS page tokens. Odoo. Yeah, you can do that. It's good. Then this is uh, this notes pages for single time note taking. It is not a collaborative pages. For that, there's a there's a cool alternative for Notion. It is really good, but you can't expect more features. It's just done a simple job perfect. It is a note taking documentation option. It is open source. Docmost. As you see, I've prepared a dummy note app. We can able to collaborate within your team. But the thing is, they haven't. As I'm taking this video, they haven't gone for Docmost mobile application. If your team are operating in a desktop environment, that is really good stuff. In a dynamic way, you can collaborate and edit your documents on the go. Then N10, there will be a pretty separate video coming up. N10, they offers a automation agents and so on. It is really a good alternative for Zapier and other competitors. We can easily able to automate. Here is a dummy flow that we have done for simple uh, calendar automation with a Gemini, a free model. Right now, we have used a free model. That is the thing. I've created a agent of a simple text message style. It will go to the calendar and mock it. Yeah, that is for NocoDB for the DB side. Uh, it is a good alternative for Airtable. As you see, it is a no coding requirement platform alternative to Airtable. This similarly functions as like Airtable with self-hosted option without paying any extra amount. It is good. Every application that I am showing here is able to do with Coolify with a single click. So no need to worry about the Docker file and dependencies on chip and x84 and 64. You all no need to worry about that. Every requirement has been done through Coolify. That makes our process simple. Or else you need to jiggle around with the file and the GitHub repo file. Okay. The Coolify uh, in the NocoDB side, I've prepared a simple. Let us take a table demo. Create a table. As you see, we can able to input and self-host share option. The public. So that let us create Airtable. I'm not showing the full thing, but you can able to. The alternative for Airtable is NocoDB. As you see, I have created a file called demo. That is, as you see, I have created a dummy file. That is, I haven't. I'm not doing um, full table tutorial or other things. I can able to save this for numbers, the demo data, and I can gather the information from the public. Or I think you can share with your team members. The public share button can enable the public view, and on the free version you are not able to do a custom URL, but for internal purposes, it is cool that you can share your things with this generated link. Yeah, that's it on the NocoDB. It is similar to the Airtable. Those who are familiar with Airtable, it is done. Then for the team management and invoices purposes and other things, there is a Odoo, a CRM software, and ERP. And they offers the both. As you see, it's a one platform as the slogan that they did is all your business on one platform, simple, efficient, yet affordable. It is really affordable, but in the cloud section, you can able to only install a single app on their cloud. So we are going for self-hosted. As you see here, I have already self-hosted. We can install everything. These are the things that are. It is not fully yet free. There are some application you need to pay, but for the option self-hosted, you can able to do a pretty good job on the on invoicing dashboards and other sales management CRM. Uh, it is cool. I there is no data I have put into it. It is for the video. I just installed fresh. Okay. Then for running LLM on the local, you can do it in the Coolify itself. It's simple. As you know, Ollama running local LLMs. That is really good. Ollama does our process very good. I'm running 1.5 billion parameters, the DeepSeek R1 model. For the demo, I would not recommend running LLM on the Oracle Cloud because it doesn't have any GPU. Yeah, it has a huge number of RAMs, 24, but it's running. Let us check. Hello. Yes, we can see the resources, what it takes to run Ollama R1. Simultaneously, we are running. Let's stop. Yeah, it's maxed out our virtual CPU. It's thinking, hello. As you see, we in our team we have pretty good systems from the local, so we are not running this Ollama feature in the cloud. We are running it in the local. But if you are interested in hosting, you can also do it in your local PC by connecting your PC to Coolify with a VPN. It makes our process simple. Then yeah, that's it. That is what I want to say in this video. In this 2025, they haven't. removed the Oracle free tier option. It 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 is a magical server that they offer, so we able to host our things without without paying a huge money in upfront for a small size with with the 10 to 20 members in the team, small to medium size company. Oracle free tier is a good deal on the self hosting softwares like Coolify and for operating system optimization, netboot. We can able to really dig into the every nitty gritty dependencies by installing a DBM. You can also able to do it and able to server, but it's not efficient as compared to the DBM. In the resource management side, not an operating side, it is a whole a different thing. So we have seen the cloud platform on the superhero Coolify that's made our process very neat and simple. Under WordPress, then Line, then Docmost, and then NocoDB on the Odoo, on the Ollama. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this video really helped someone. They are getting out in the initial stage of starting a company. This will really help. I hope this this Oracle thing I would have known before 2 to 3 years. My process for starting a company would be minimized in the operating side. We are using it more than 7 to 8 months. Yeah, it has really changed how we operate without paying on other SaaS products, relying on them. It really made process simple. Yeah, thank you. I see you in the next video.